Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is on how to do a neat short bob box braid using a flat iron. So stay tuned. So I part the hair and I apply some shine and gel before braiding it. So I'm just gonna braid it like half of the braiding hair, and then I'm just gonna cut it out with a lighter or flat iron, whichever one. So I started off using the lighter, but at some point I just wanted it to have that natural and that neat look. So I later changed it to the flat iron. Whichever one you want, but just keep in mind that the flat iron makes the hands look neater than using the lighter. So that's just the difference. You still get the same look, but it's just a different. Some people use the lighter because I guess it's faster than the flat iron, and I guess it's also safer than this flat iron. Whichever one you prefer, but I just prefer that neat natural look. That's why I use the flat iron some points in the hair. So as I keep braiding, I'm measuring the braid with the ones I've done to have that equal length at the ends. So you just measure it to make sure before boning or cutting it. So as you can see, I started using the flat iron from this point, and I'm still explaining it in detail to you guys. So when you braid to the desired length, you just take your flat iron and put it over the hands, and you just touch it to make sure it's sealed before cutting it. So you just keep this doing the same process until you get to the top in the hands, and just keep measuring the braids as you go along. Measure it with the ones you've done before to make sure it's equal length before cutting the hair. So the whole process took me about 4 hours for the medium bob box braids. So look at that cutie, guys. Isn't she so cute? Believe it when I say that this is the most calmest baby I've ever seen. She was just smiling all through the process. So a big shout out to this little angel. And here's the finished look, guys. As you can see, the hands look exactly like the same. It's just neater than using the lighter ultra. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time on my channel, please click the subscribe button. Also follow me on Instagram and Facebook at sooooo. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.